Good morning, dear students. This is Kiran sir from Vassalabai Vanmani School of Scholars. Today we are going to English grammar. English grammar for 5th standard. And today we discuss about the 6th lesson, present perfect continuous tense. Okay. So present perfect continuous tense, everyone have a knowledge regarding that, because already we discuss about the tenses, and every tenses, main tenses, present tense, past tense and future tense, every tenses have a 4 subtypes, and this is the last one in a present tense, present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so let's discuss about the present perfect continuous tense. Before starting this present perfect continuous tense, we have knowledge about the that tense. So that's why this is the formula: subject plus have, has plus been plus VING plus object. So this is the formula of the present perfect continuous tense. So in this present perfect continuous tense, we have to use have, has with been and VING, means verb ing and object. Okay, got it? And generally when we are discussing about the have, has, he, she, it, with this you people use has. I, they, we, you. With these words you people use have. Okay, got it? So see here, this is one example. I have been working. Okay, I have been working. We do not take the object any. Understand that I have been working. So this is the example of present perfect continuous tense. I have been working. मैं काम कर रहा था, कर रहा हूँ. Okay, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. So this is the very simple. This is subject, have, has. This is been, and this is verb with ing. So this is working, ing. Okay, this is the example of present perfect continuous tense. So for your better understanding, sir give the one example again, that see here, Usha has been singing a song for 20 minutes. Okay, see here, Usha has been singing a song for 20 minutes. Means that Usha 20 minutes से गा रही है and still he is singing. अभी भी गा रही है. So here we discuss about that when you discussing about the for. And in these sentences, we use for and since. If you have knowledge regarding that कि वो सुबह से कर रहे हैं या पिछले साल से कर रहे हैं, कब से कर रहे हैं, so this is the important for that. Usha has been singing a song. Usha गाना गा रही है for 20 minutes. 20 minutes से गाना गा रही है, still he is singing. Okay. The tense show that an actions begin in the past and is still going on. So this is the main theme of the present perfect continuous tense. वो गा रही है और कब तक गाएगी, वो गाते जा रही है. So we do not say that. So that's why this is the important. The tense show that an action began in the past. कब start हुई and is still going on. और वो जारी है. So that's why this is the important of the present perfect continuous tense. So when you discussing about the present perfect continuous tense or any present past or future perfect continuous tense, at that time we use since and for. since having a different meaning and for having a different meaning. See here, we use since when we mention the starting point of time. If there is a starting point of time, that time we use since. And when we use for when the mention length of time, that time we use for. So these are the highlighted words. Point of time, if there is a mention, that time you people use since. And when is a mention the length of time, that time you have to use the for. Got it? Got it? Yes. So this is the uses of since and for. Where and when we use since, these are the depend upon the point of time, if there is a mention there. And when we use for, attention, give attention, length of time. So this is some examples for that. Since, point of time, that time 8 o'clock. This is the point of time. Monday, July 20, 1990. My childhood. These are the point of time, and that point of time you use since. And this is the length of time, 2 hours. कब से? For 2 hours, length of time. So here also we discuss about the 20 minutes, 20 minutes से. So that's why length of time, that's why we use a for instead of since. Okay? So that's why when you discussing about the for, see the example: 2 hours, 5 days, a long time, age, and several years. So that time, if we discussing about the length of time, that time you have to use the for. Okay? Got it? See here again, this is the present perfect continuous tense. This is the formula. He, she, it. With this word you people use has, and remaining have. This is the one example. I have been working. This is the example. And you, for your better understanding, sir, give the extra example. Usha has been singing a song for 20 minutes. 20 minutes से उषा गाना गा रही है. Okay? So present perfect continuous tense. This tense show that an action began in the past. कब से start हुई वो पता नहीं, and it's still going on. और वो जारी है. It's still going on. carry है. And we discuss here uses of since and for. See the blackboard and understand there. I hope you understand properly. Okay? Okay? Yes. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.